Unfortunately, as you can probably guess from that, you can't do that. So that kind of sucks. There are two workarounds that I can think of. So let me just explain what Mary wants to do. Let's just go find something to sell. So what Mary wants to do is she wants to sell this product, Call Blocker. Interesting. Look at that big button that says block now. That'd be very interesting product for Australia and also for the UK. I wonder if they're being sold there. Anybody want to go check? That could be a very interesting product. All right, so what Mary is suggesting is this, that you have this as a promotional deal when you initially launch it. And when you launch it, what you're saying is the first 10 people that purchase get the product for 80% off. All right, that's what Mary's trying to do. Now, Amazon does not let you do that. Okay, so there is a workaround though, and the workaround would be that you do what's called single-use coupon codes. So there's two kinds of coupon codes on Amazon. Coupon code number 1 is as many people as have got the coupon code can use the coupon code. So if you've got a coupon code that is discount 30, for instance, if 100 people got that one coupon code, discount 30, then they all can use it and they all get 30% off, for instance. So that's one. And then single-use coupon code is where you'd have discount 30-1, discount 30-2, and then up to 100, and then you give 100 people their own individual coupon code that they can go use. So that's a single-use coupon code. So you can, with that in mind, set up 10 single-use coupon codes, discount 81, discount 82, etc., etc. Run a promotion on Facebook to get your first 10 people get the coupon code, and then they go shop on Amazon and the first 10 people have got the coupon code. And so you could do it like that, for instance, and that would be a great workaround for that, Mary. But Amazon itself does not have the infrastructure to facilitate it, but you can hack it together using things like Facebook and things like that though. So try it that way. Good question. I like how you're thinking. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.